You know, I think that love will conquer it all. Love is kindness. Love is agreeableness. So I must seeketh a defeat the potentialist cat. Any questions? God say.